Hello mga idol, gagawa po tayo ng Salveo barley juice. Ito po yung recommended na use of Salveo barley grass. Pwede po natin ito for prevention or tawag natin health maintenance and nutritional support. Pwede po for baby 6 to 24 months, 1/2 scoop 4 ounce of milk or water 3 times a day. So for kids, 2 scoop or 1 glass of milk or water 3 times a day. For adult, so we can use 2 to 4 scoop per glass of water 1 to 3 times a day. Pero is for healing, so pwede po natin i-add 4 to 10 scoop per glass of water at least 3 times a day. No overdose po ito. So ang direction po ito, best use cold water or normal water. Alright, ito guys, tingnan nyo. So madali lang po siya ma-dissolve dahil ito po ay manipis talaga ang pagkagawa ng Salveo barley. So marami na po itong mga health benefits. Ito po ay natural detoxifier, promotes liver health and fight infection, good for the heart, promote digestive health, anti-aging din, neutralize acidity, promotes kidney health, and has anti-tumor effects. Alright? Cheers! Stay healthy!